Hey everyone, your favorite chiropractor is back, Dr. D. Did you know that you can experience severe jaw pain after a car accident? Jaw pain is often caused by one or more of the following things that I'm going to go over today with you. Jaw pain is often caused by one or more of the following. Number one, it could be caused by whiplash, which is a sudden jolt that can strain the muscles and ligaments around the jaw, leading to pain and stiffness. The force of an impact can also misalign the jaw, affecting its movement. The temporomandibular joint, also known as TMJ injury, can occur because the TMJ connects your jaw to your skull. That's this area. And trauma from an accident can cause inflammation, dislocation, or muscle strain. Symptoms include pain when chewing, clicking or popping sounds, and difficulty opening or closing the mouth. Direct impact or blunt force trauma. If your head or your face hits the steering wheel, the dashboard, the airbag, or the window, it can result in fractures, bruising, or soft tissue damage. Even if there's no visible injury, internal damage to the jawbone or surrounding muscles can occur. Stress and clenching. So after an accident, the body reacts with stress, leading to jaw clenching or teeth grinding, which is known as bruxism. This prolonged tension can cause jaw pain and headaches. You can have dental injuries, so cracked, broken, or misaligned teeth from impact can lead to jaw pain and difficulty biting. So when should you see a doctor? If the pain persists, worsens, or is accompanied by swelling, headaches, ear pain, or difficulty moving the jaw. It's important to see a doctor, dentist, or TMJ specialist. If you or someone you know has recently been in a car accident, give us a call today. At Ideal Health and Rehab, our goal is to get you better faster. Call us at 954-772-9052 or directly on my cell at 561-897-9953. We also work with highly skilled and very compassionate attorneys that can answer any of your legal questions that you may have. For now, thanks for watching and make it a great day.